Hello everyone, welcome back to BPO tutorials. I hope you guys are doing really well. Today we came up with an interesting concept that is related to the Excel tricks, guys. I have seen while preparing the reports, most of you guys are getting confused, like how to remove the grid lines and how to remove the header part from the Excel if you're working on any of the dashboards. Today we will learn this. Along with, we will also see how to add and background image in the Excel dashboard. So before moving to the video, I would like everyone to please check out a playlist. You will find videos related to quality trainers, operation team lead, operation KPIs, Six Sigma certification, people management, MS Excel tricks, Google Data Studio. Many more videos are there, guys. Please learn each and everything so that you can give your best while working as on a current role. So let's start today's topic, that is how to add and remove the grid line in the MS Excel sheet. Considering this particular sheet, I want to remove the grid lines here. You can see here there are lines showing on the row and column side. We want to remove that. And A, B, C, D, you can see here these are the header part. And from here, if you see here 1, 2, 3, 4, these are the header part. How to remove this? So for that, what you need to do is you need to go to View. There is an option that is known as grid line. See guys, automatically the grid line got removed, and there is an option also known as heading. You can also remove it from here. There is an option of formula bar. You can see here this is a formula bar. If you want to remove that also, you can remove the same, guys. It's very easy to do that. Again, if you click on the checkbox, everything will get visible. So this is the one I want to teach you guys today, how to add and remove the grid line. Second, if you want to add a background image here, how you can add, because while working on the dashboards, you would also require to give a good background so that your dashboard looks really cool. So how you can do that? For that, what you need to do, you need to go to page layout. Okay, there is an option known as background. If you click here, now we are working offline. So what you will do, work offline. It will redirect to your desktops or wherever the image is. You guys can select that. So here my image is there on the desktop with the name of capture. I will insert, so you guys can see here the image got inserted here. Okay, so it's very easy, really cool. You can add it in a different way as well. So completely you can add a colorful image. It's up to you guys how you want to show your data here. Okay, so still have any doubt, please let me know so that I can help you out. But these are the basic things you need to remember whenever you go for preparing a dashboard or a report. Okay, suppose I will go here and I will delete this background. You can directly go and you can delete the background. Now your dashboard, if you want to prepare it, you will go to home. You can insert a text box also, guys. So how you can do that, you can go to text box. Okay, you can insert a text box. Okay, say okay, it got inserted. You can mention here my dashboard. It's look really cool, guys. You can select the text, you can increase the size of it, and you can give the background color to this particular text, aligning it to the center and just increasing the size of it. See guys, in this way, so it's look really cool. Again, if you go to view, you can remove the formula bar as well. See guys, it's look really cool whenever a dashboard is getting prepared. So removing grid line and heading are much needed. That's all from my side, guys. If you still have any doubt, please let me know. I will surely help you out, guys. Don't miss to check out the playlist. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.